India is a living paradox which, being one of the oldest civilizations on earth, inhabits the world's largest youth population. An enigma where 1.3 billion people breathe new dreams, new aspirations, propelling India to a new era of economic growth as a global manufacturing and IT hub. To match the soaring demands of infrastructure and resources stemming from the rising population, economic growth and rapid urbanization, long-term sustainable social innovation in energy, urban development, manufacturing, and life and economy sectors hold the key. At Hitachi, social innovation begins with an idea, a thought that has the power to change the world. For over a century, Hitachi is bringing these possibilities to life with advanced information technologies and infrastructure solutions. With collaborative creation at the core of all innovations, at Hitachi, thinkers and doers are coming together to work smarter, faster, and more creatively towards a better tomorrow around the world and in India.
See, social innovation basically is a concept, and the tagline is "the future is open to suggestions." It means that you're looking for an idea, which is powerful enough to change, the way the society, operates today. And basically, it's for the betterment of the society. And at Hitachi, what happens is, we give these ideas birth or bring them to life by, use of advanced information technologies and infrastructure solutions, and working in a collaborative environment with all the involved stakeholders. That would be government, the private players, the businesses, as well as the citizens themselves.
A definition of the social innovation for our company is new value creation through collaborative creation. Collaborative creation, that is the key.
Hitachi's social innovation business is helping India overcome its impending infrastructural overload, considering India's population will overtake China's by 2020. Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery Plant in Kharagpur is helping its customers in co-creating smart, innovative solutions for urban development through its fully mechanized facility. The state-of-the-art plant is a global standard facility completely equipped with advanced information technology and operational technology processes streamlined to build these majestic machines. These high-performance and fuel-efficient machines provide reliable solutions to enhance the operational performance of its customers, thus ensuring timelines and increasing their profitability in the construction and mining business.
We are producing 15 varieties of products. In excavators, we produce from 5 ton to 47 ton. So there are 6 different models that are being produced, and in wheeled we produce wheeled machines, 10 ton and 12 ton wheeled machines. We produce dump trucks, which is 35 ton and 100 ton dump trucks. We produce compactors, soil compactors and vibratory compactors, and we produce motor graders, which is used for road making.
Digital India is the stairway to India's future. Increasingly, the Internet of Things is the way to collaborate with the best minds in the times to come. Smarter and faster data transmission capabilities and robust infrastructure are critical to Digital India. Therefore, Hitachi has introduced its pioneering future-ready IoT platform, Lumada, which will be the core of social innovation by being a channel for Hitachi's customers to be a part of this digital transformation in the country. Electric power is the lifeline of modern civilizations. One of the biggest countries in the world, India has a huge appetite for power consumption, which is in constant appraisal due to the burgeoning population. Hitachi Hi-Rail in Ahmedabad with its advanced power solutions is helping India to meet the present and future operational technology requirements through manufacturing storage systems for electric power. The best-in-class servers and UPS bring Hitachi's global edge to India's heart of virtual revolution.
HHPE is a recognized leader in providing power electronic solutions comprising of UPS systems, solar inverters, LV drive systems, MV drive systems, and customized power electronic package solutions.
Hitachi Hi-Rail products have superior energy efficiencies, helping customers reduce carbon footprint and reach their energy-saving objectives.
Our product, grid-tied solar inverter, is one of the most popular products in the market today because of superior technology and higher energy efficiencies. And I'm happy to share that recently we became a member of the 1 gigawatt club.
Hitachi Hi-Rail Products is a proud contributor to our Prime Minister's vision of reaching 100 gigawatt of solar power generation by 2022. Not just digital highway, the way India moves is transforming at top gear. Besides expanding domestic market, India is emerging as a global hotspot for exports and will soon be the third largest automobile industry in the world. Smart, innovative and safe commuting solutions are of immediate concern for the government and the society at large. At Chennai, the world-class Hitachi Automotive Systems India Private Limited is helping its clients to meet the surging demands and create robust, environment-friendly solutions.
Our products, BTC and ignition coil, reduce the volume to toxic gases, which is exhaust from the combustion engine. Hence, reduce the overall carbon footprint.
And so does the Manesar plant of Hitachi Metals India, which produces met glass components for automobiles, helping their clients reduce noise, create greener energy and leverage vast potential of materials to fulfill the needs of community.
Solar is very, very critical here. And in this factory here in Gurgaon, we make components which are used to make solar inverters. Currently, the usage of rooftop solar system is not very prevalent in India, so most of our products are exported into developed countries in Europe. However, we are now seeing that the usage of these components are increasing substantially, and India is a very promising market for us in future.
In India, majority of people are still in the process of financial inclusivity. The government and the financial institutions are progressively looking at solutions to cater to this growing need of improving life and economy, even in the remotest of the regions. Revolutionary cash recycling ATMs manufactured at the state-of-the-art facility of Hitachi Terminal Solutions India in Bengaluru is a step towards innovative solutions to help the society, the country and the clients to grow and prosper.
We contribute to Indian societies by providing financial services. Mainly that we are producing professional service providers for the ATMs. So by providing ATM and value-added services from Hitachi Payment in Mumbai, that we are trying to contribute more to the Indian societies.
Launched in the predominantly agrarian state of Punjab, E-Seva Kendras are regarded as a landmark achievement in making lives of millions of citizens comfortable through easy access to basic public services, from birth certificates to licenses with quick turnaround time, thereby simplifying their daily lives through advanced digital technology. This reflects India's focus on enriching lives through digitalization.
Yeah, Punjab E-Seva project resonates with the Hitachi philosophy of social innovation. What we've done basically is created a digital transformation in Punjab by providing 240 or approximate services from birthday to death certificate, all available under one roof, whereby we have covered almost 2100 districts, out of which 1700 approx are in the villages.
The very reason why Hitachi as a global policy co-partners with governments, corporations and communities to make the world a better place to live in in the present and in the future as an innovation partner for the coming IoT era with collaborative creation at the core. That's the commitment Hitachi brings to India's growth story.